what's up? My name is Lainey. For those of you who do not know, I try to post videos every Friday and a reel every Tuesday. We'll see if I can keep that up. And without further ado, today we are going to be unboxing a Squishmallow, which is a like pink rainbow stingray, which I'm really excited for. So it's gonna be a really short video. It's literally just gonna be me opening this and that's it to commemorate, because Squishmallows. There we go. I just need that slightly open. Oh my god. There we go. You can just see the rainbow right off the bat. Oh my god. Oh, I got this guy off of Crackle Barrel, I think, which is a restaurant I've never actually eaten at, and I had no clue they had like merchandise there. So, okay, yeah, so she is from Cracker Barrel. She was $19.99, not including shipping, which is $6.99, and tax, which is $2.39. So $19.99 for, you know, Saxa. Free her! Or him, or them, I don't know their gender. Oh, there you are, all squished. The poor baby. Saxa is their name. Saxa, according to the little tag. Look at that. Okay, let's free you. Free the sting. So soft. Oh my god, what a cutie. Look at those little wings. She's so cute. It's so soft. She looks just like the other stings, but like bright pink, like a bubblegum pink. Really cute face, little embroidered gills, little fins. We got a little tail on the back, and she's like a rainbow sting because of this backside is all like rainbow patterns. If you look at their other stingrays, like Aziza for example, it's like purple spots, and it's typically like that, like purple spots or blue spots, or like the gray blue for king, whereas Saxa is special because she's all rainbow. So I had no clue that this sting actually existed until I found her. I can't even remember where. I don't know if it was like Instagram or TikTok or something, but I like ran the second I saw her because I am obsessed with stingrays. I have 3 stingray purses, as you know, a bunch of stingray stuffed animals. I love them. So let's read a little bit about our friend Saxa. Have you seen Saxa? This is one fancy pants mallow. Saxa is expressive in both attire and attitude, and she always shows her true colors. She is honest but fair with her friends and family, and gives great advice. Saxa is one iconic mallow you won't want to miss. So that's Saxa for you. She's big. She's like, I think this is like the 11 or 12 inch one. I low-key forget what sizes they come in, but she's like a big medium-sized squish. So here's her on my right side, and then Aziza is on my left. So you can see the size difference. She's like a medium size. Aziza is very, very big, and I love her. Overall, 10 out of 10. Do recommend. I hope you like these. I'm thinking about making some squish hunting videos, so let me know if you want to see a video where I actually like squish hunt and take you with me on like a vlog to Target or Walgreens or Kroger or Hallmark or Five Below or Walmart or wherever they sell squish. That's it. Also, wait, no, okay, so I got this, but I picked this up for my brother for his girlfriend for Christmas. Can we talk about these? Can we talk about the Huggables in the comments, because they're so derpy looking. I also picked up the RX2 for my brother's girlfriend for Christmas. Okay, anyways, now that's seriously all. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like these Squishmallow videos because I like making them. And that's it. Peace out.